In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a custom domain in Odoo. We'll walk through a simple process that starts right inside your Odoo dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go to manage the database that's linked to your custom domain. Even though the steps are short, I'll take my time explaining what each action does, so you understand why you're clicking on things, not just where. First, make sure you're logged in to your Odoo account and you can see the main dashboard. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This is usually represented by your avatar, your initials, or a small user icon. Move your mouse up to that top right corner and click on the profile icon. This menu is where Odoo groups together account-related options, including access to your databases, billing, and personal settings. Once the profile menu opens, look for the option labeled My Databases. Go ahead and click on My Databases. This section is very important because it lists all the Odoo databases associated with your account. Each database can correspond to a different environment, such as a production site, a testing site, or a demo, and this is typically where you control which database is linked to a specific domain or subdomain. On the My Databases page, you'll see a list of your databases along with some basic information about each one, such as the database name, its status, and some actions you can perform. Find the database that you want to connect to your custom domain. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have multiple entries, because any changes you make here will affect how users reach your live system. Next to the database you want to work with, you'll see a button labeled Connect. Click on the Connect button. This action opens that particular database and brings you directly into it. From here, depending on your hosting and configuration, you can continue with any additional domain setup steps provided by Odoo or your domain provider. That's all there is to it. By clicking the profile icon, going to My Databases, and then hitting Connect on the right database, you're effectively accessing the environment that you'll associate with your custom domain, keeping your system organized and easy to manage.